Selenium class 15, Java inheritance and polymorphism. See, Java, OOPS. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming System. Object Oriented Programming System. Say, four fundamentals of object oriented concepts. Four fundamentals of OOPS. See, four fundamentals of OOPS. One is inheritance. Next, polymorphism. Next, abstraction. Next, last one, encapsulation. These are the four fundamentals of OOPS. See, first, inheritance. Okay. Sanjida, have any idea what is inheritance?
Sir, inheritance is a different. We can use different class. Different class together with the extent
class together. Less clarity or no clarity. So Neeladri, have any idea what is inheritance? It is global concept, not only in Java. In all object-oriented programming languages, you can find this inheritance. What is inheritance?
Yes, inheritance is a mechanism that if we create a class inside a method of any class, if we inherit another class, we can use those methods from the another class.
Okay. Say, it is a process. Put mute. Inheritance. It is a process of inheriting. Inheriting means reusing. It is a process of inheriting the class members, variables and methods. Variables and methods are called as class members. It is a process of inheriting the class members from one class to another. This is called inheritance. See, it is a process of inheriting. Inheriting means reusing the class members. What are the class members? Variables and methods. Methods means here user defined methods. If it is built-in method, you can access from anywhere. Variables and methods from one class to another. Okay. Next, non-static class members. See, class members two types. Static class members, non-static class members. Non-static class members only can be inherited. What is the difference between static class members and non-static class members? We access static class members using Madhumati. What is the primary difference between static and non-static class members? How we access non-static class members? Say yes or no.
Yeah, with the
Start,
void.
please, sir.
You continue, Sanjida. Put mute remaining people.
The non-static class member we can access by creating object.
Yes, by creating object using instance of the class, we can
Yes,
access.
sir.
How we access static class members?
Sir, static class member we can access directly through the class.
Using class name.
Using class name.
Class
Yes.
name. See, here on condition non-static. All of you put mute. Non-static class members. Non-static class members only can be inherited. See, next, the class where the class members are getting inherited is called as superclass or parent class or base class. See, the class where the class members are getting inherited is called as superclass or parent class or base class. Okay. Next, the class to which the class members are getting inherited is called as subclass or child class, or you can say derived class. See, the class to which the class members are getting inherited is called just a minute, is called as subclass or child class or derived class. Okay. Next, the inheritance between superclass and subclass is achieved using extends keyword. Extends. See, the inheritance between superclass just a minute, superclass and subclass is achieved using extends. Don't use double quotes in Java programs. Here only understanding per point of view I am writing double quotes. Extends, small letters. Extends keyword. See, this is a brief introduction about inheritance. Next, I will show what are the static members and non-static members. Before that, already we discussed how to create static class members. Sunil, how to create static class members? Using static non-access modifier. Using static. This is non-access modifier. Non-access modifier. Okay. Next, how to access static class members? Sridevi, how to access static class members?
Static class members.
Already Sanjida told how to access static class members using class name.
One is using class name dot method.
Okay, using class name. Using class name. Next, how to access non-static class members? Gurnath Natarajan, how to access non-static?
Forgot, sir. Like,
Just now, Sanjida told. Sanjida answered how to access non-static class members.
By creating object, we can access
creating object. Okay, using object or instance of the class.
okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
Using object or instance of the class.
Okay. Oh, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Instance of the class. How we can access non-static class members. Okay, I will show an example. Then we will discuss inheritance. First, without inheritance, just example for creating and accessing static and non-static class members. See. Example, creating and accessing static and non-static class members. Launch Eclipse IDE, just a minute. Say I created one class. Here first create static variables or declare static variables. Create or declare static variables. Variables and methods are called as class members. See, using static keyword, static int a equal to 10, b equal to 20, like this. Okay, before main method, these are class level variables. They load only once. You can use n number of times. If it is other variables, non-static variables, they load every time when object is created. Suppose in the first class, main class, if you create object, non-static class members load. Suppose in second class, subclass, if you create another object, they load once again. they load again. See, memory point of view, static class members are better, class level. See, next, create static method. Guide me Preeti. Create, just a minute, before that, create or declare non-static variables. First we will complete variables. Just without static keyword. Int c equal to 30, d equal to 40, like this. Next, create static method. Create static method with returning value. We will discuss all flavors with create static method. All of you put mute except Preeti, with returning a value. Guide me Preeti, how to create static method with returning value.
Public static int
return type int. Suppose add method name, open curly braces, close curly braces. Next, write method body. Suppose int result equal to, for example, a plus b. Next, return result, semicolon. See, this is static method with returning value. Next, Madhumati, create static method without returning any value. Same, create a static method. You know the syntax, create a static method, same static method, create a static method without returning any value. Guide me, Madhumati.
Yeah, public.
Public
Static. Void.
Void means return type nothing. Suppose multiply. This is method name, open curly braces, without returning any value. Suppose just performing operation, no passing value. A into B. Next, Neeladri, create a non-static method with returning value. Just a minute. Create a non-static. Create, just a minute. Create a non-static method. Just a minute. Create a static method. Just a minute. A static method. Next, create a non-static method. Create non-static method.
Yes, sir.
With returning value.
Yeah, it's public
Public
um,
return
int
type. Suppose int, int, suppose,
division
okay, you can use same add to another method,
and
another name.
result one equal to
Just a minute. Add to.
result
Suppose
one.
int res equal to C plus D.
So there is two int. One should be deleted.
Oh, yes, 2 times.
And
Next,
return res.
return keyword, return res. This is with the returning value. Next,
Yes, sir.
without returning value. Suppose create non-static method without returning value. Suppose multiply 2.
Okay, sir.
Multiply 2. Suppose just no return.
Yes, sir. We have to put public void.
Just a minute. Public void,
Void.
no return type. See, in this program we created static variables and static methods. Next, non-static variables and non-static methods. Sunil, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Class members. What are the class members? Variables and you are not responding properly. Sridevi, what are the class members?
Variables and methods.
Methods. We have 2 types of class members. What are they?
Static, non-static.
Yes, static, non-static. And how to access also we discussed it. First, Sanjida, I want to access static class members. I want to access static class members. How to access?
No,
See,
add one.
just a minute. Access static class members. How to access?
Sir, class name.
Class name. What is the class name? Just a minute. Inheritance. Class name.
Dot.
Dot.
Which one you want to access?
Okay, Sunil. Okay. Suppose A. Class name. Access static class members. It is not. Okay, you have to print this one.
Sir, no, sir. You access the variable. You need to access in the method.
Yes, we can access variables also. See.
Okay.
Observe. We can access variables also.
Okay.
Next, method, static method, add method is there. That returns a value, returns a value. So take variable int x equal to inheritance dot add, just a minute, dot add. If you want to display, you can display. Next, one more method is there, that is without returning value. without returning value. See, inheritance dot multiply. See, Sanjida, we can access variables also. Variables also
Yes,
class
sir.
members. Next,
Yes, sir.
access non-static class members. Access non-static class members. First, we have to create instance object. Suppose inheritance obj equal to new inheritance. Inheritance is class name. You can use XYZ also. Next, access obj, just a minute. You can access variables also. Obj dot c. Next, returning value na int y equal to obj dot add 2. If you want to display, you can display y. Next, without returning value, obj dot multiply 2. Observe. So we are accessing static and non-static class members. Before main method creating, after main method accessing. Run. Even is showing blank. Total how many outputs?
So we have to put the variable x, y into the system output println inside.
Just a minute.
Line 30, sir.
This is 30. What is Preeti?
34.
Line 34, sir.
Line 34, sir.
Line 34. Good. That's why it is showing blank line. X. Okay. Observe first output A 10. Next second output 10 plus 20 30. Next third output multiply 10 into 20 200. These three outputs belongs to static class members. Next non-static C 30. Next add 2 30 plus 40. What are the C and D values? 30 40. Okay, 70. Next last output next static, just a minute, 70. Next last output 30 into 40 1200. Run the program. See 10 30 230 70 1200. 10 30 230 70 1200. Okay na Madhumati, are you following?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Creating and accessing static and non-static class members. Okay. Next, one condition we discussed regarding inheritance. Non-static class members only can be inherited. Okay. Before that, we will discuss one more point regarding inheritance. Say, we have three types of inheritance. Three types of inheritance, but Java supports two types of inheritance only. See, first one, single inheritance. Single inheritance. Example, public. Okay, forget about the syntax. Don't concentrate on syntax. What is single inheritance? Suppose class B extends. Forget about the syntax. I am not writing complete syntax, just the inheritance part. Class B extends class A. Class B extends class A. Observe Natarajan.
Yes, sir.
Which one is super class? Class B or class A?
Class A, sir.
Class A super class. Say we can access all non-static class members from class A to class B. This is single inheritance. Next, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Example, suppose class B extends class A. This is one level. Next, class C extends class B. Class B extends class A. Next, class C extends class B. Here observe, class A is parent class or super class. Class B is child class or subclass. Next, class C is subchild class or subclass. See, for example, class C. For class C, class B is parent and class A is grandparent. Class C can access class B non-static members, non-static class members, as well as grandparents, class A non-static class members also. Getting this point, Sanjida? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Class B can access class A class members. Class C can access class B and class A class members. This is multi-level, not only two levels. You can write class D extends class C. Just a minute. Class D extends class C. Next, class E extends class D, like that. Next, Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Another type, multiple inheritance. See, Java doesn't support. Here observe the problem. What is multiple inheritance? Suppose class B extends class A, class B extends class A, next class B, same class B extends class D. Observe Neeladri. Suppose if class B is child for class A and class D, confliction na?
Yes, sir.
See, priority is problem. Suppose same method available in class A and class D. Which one is first? Both are parents. So this is not possible in Java. First of all, Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Parent, grandparent, grandparent, like that. But two different parents, three different parents, that is multiple inheritance. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Observe Sanjida, getting this point, multiple inheritance.
Yes, sir, get it.
Why Java doesn't support multiple inheritance?
Because different parents.
Different parents.
Child cannot.
Suppose two parents having same methods, then
Yeah.
priority problem. Which one is first?
Yeah.
So Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Only multi-level inheritance, single inheritance. Okay, we'll discuss examples. Just a
Sir,
minute.
in multi-level, can we do like a class C extends class A?
Just a minute. Madhu asking. Tell me, Madhu.
In multi-level, can we do like class C extends class A?
In multi-level class.
Here,
Ah,
C extends class A.
class.
C extends class A.
Class
Can we do
C
like that?
extends class A. Not required. Already class B extends class A, na?
Okay.
That is not required, first of all. Why? Say class B extends class A. If you extends class B for class C, class A also available. Then why we need to extend again?
Okay.
Actually, that is not correct syntax. Not required. See, via class B we are accessing class A also. Then why we need to extend again?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Not
Okay, sir, I
required.
got it. Okay.
Not
Thank you.
required. Just a minute, I will show the example. Then you can get more clarity. Observe. Suppose create new class A. Class A. Only non-static class members. Non-static. Create non-static class members. Suppose variables int A equal to 10, int B equal to 20. Next, method. Suppose method without returning any value. Public void add open curly braces. Next, you can write method with returning value also, no issue. Say, suppose A plus B. Next, access. See, these are non-static class members. First, we need to create object. Suppose class name, class A, obj A equal to new class A. Open and close curly braces, semicolon. Okay. Next, access non-static class members. Say obj dot A. Next, obj A dot add. See, this is 30. First output 10. Run the program. See 10, 30. Okay. Next, create one more class. New class B. Class B. Class B. Suppose method same name. Hundred, 200. Here create object class B objb equal to new class B semicolon. Just a minute. Class B, objb. Just comment this one. Just comment. Why it is showing error, Sanjida? We didn't inherit now.
Yeah, we need to put extends keyword.
Extends. See, class B. Observe Niladri. Suppose without inheritance, if you want to access class non-static class members from class A, then how to access? You need to create object in class A na?
Yes, sir.
Class A. Here we are creating object in class B only. Class B.
Yes.
Object B, new class B. If you want to access parent class, first you need to inherit.
Yes, sir.
Extends class A. Now you can access class A non-static class members. Here we are accessing one variable and one method. Run the program. See 10:30 accessing. Observe Sridevi. For example, same names, variable name same and method name also same. Same names available in subclass as well as parent class. Then how it executes? What is the output? See earlier.
SA.
No. First priority goes to local class. Next priority parent class. Suppose in the local class means same class, variable A not available and add method not available, then it goes to parent class. Suppose in the same class, variable A and method add available, then first priority goes to local class. See 100. This is 300. Observe Sanjida.
Yes, sir.
100, 300. No confliction. Parent and child classes having same names. Class members. Variable name same. Method name same. Then how it executes? First priority.
It's local priority.
Local
Sir,
class.
Is it overloading?
No. That concept is different. That I will show next polymorphism chapter.
Okay.
I will show.
Okay.
You don't focus on overriding concept. Now just remember the same names available. Okay, you are asking good question, but You don't focus on that overloading, overriding. This time only focus on first priority local class, next priority nearest parent.
Okay.
Nearest parent. Suppose grandparent also there. First priority local, next priority parent, last priority grandparent. Okay. See, next create one more class. One more class. Class C. Class C. Class C. Just a minute. Observe first, this is example for single inheritance. Example for single inheritance. Just a minute. Single inheritance. Class 1. This is class 1. Next, class 2. Class 2. Next, example for multi-level inheritance. Here 3 classes. First 2 classes take as it is. Next, class 3. 3 or more, minimum 3. Class 3. Just a minute. Class C. Suppose in class C also same names. Class member names same. Suppose A1, B2. A1, B2. Create object. Class C. OBJC equal to new class C, open and close parenthesis. Just a minute. Next, access OBJ C dot. Okay, just to display that one. OBJC dot A. Next, OBJC dot add. Observe Niladri. If I run this program, then what are the outputs? See, in this class, variable A available and add method available. Next, parent, variable A available and add method available. And grandparent, in grandparent also variable A is there and add method also there. What are the outputs?
Output is
just a minute. Outputs.
output is 1.
Just a minute. Extends.
Okay.
Extends class B. Now what are the outputs? First output, first priority local class, home class 1.
1, sir.
Second output 3. 1 and 3. Run the program. See 1 and 3. Observe Madhumati. Suppose in this local class means home class, no variable a, no add method. But in parent class, variable a and add method available, and in grandparent also variable a and add methods available. Then
Okay.
tell me the outputs. First priority home class. In the home class, no such class members, no such class
Yeah.
members. Then
It goes to parent class.
parent
Class B.
class. In the parent class available. Next, tell me the outputs. 100,
100,
300.
300.
Run the program. 100, 300. Next, suppose in the parent also no such class members. Then first priority home class. Second, next priority nearest parent. In the parent also no a variable and add method. Next in grandparent a variable and add method available. Then what are the outputs?
10 and
10 and 30.
30. Yeah.
Run the program. 10 and 30. Observe Preeti. Getting that priority process. First
Yes, sir.
priority
To the home
home
class.
class. Next priority parent class. Next
Parent class.
grandparent.
Grand-
Like that.
Sir,
Ah,
can you go to the Eclipse,
ah,
the class 3? Yeah.
this one.
Here,
This one. Class
yes,
C.
yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. The line number 3, when
Line
we are
number.
saying the public
Ah,
3,
ah,
public class classic C
ah.
extends, so we can use class A also there, right?
Class A. Why already somebody asked, Madhumati asked, I answered that one. Why class A? First of all, not required. Why? If you extend class B, then you can access class B class members as well as class A class members now. If you use class A, that is confliction na. Just a minute.
So if we
Just a minute.
okay, sure.
A, B, C. Run. It is first priority local only. Okay. First priority local. Suppose here no.
Yes.
No such class members. Just a minute. No such class members. Next, run. It is showing class. It is showing class A. Then tell me, Preeti. We are extend class C. Class C extends class A. Class B extends class A. Here no confliction. Why?
Right.
Class A is parent for two subclasses, two different subclasses. Class A can be accessible for class B as well as class C. Then what is the problem? Hello?
Okay. Yes, sir.
No problem. See, one parent can be having multiple childs. Suppose class B extends class A, class C extends class A, class D extends class A, class E extends class A. but no multiple parents. Childs, okay, but no multiple parents. Then what is the problem?
I got it, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Sir, on line number 7, could you unblock that one? Okay. Now on line number 7, it is showing the arrow. What it means, sir?
Now it is not showing.
It was showing, sir.
Okay.
Some kind of a arrow, down arrow it was showing.
Oh, this one.
See, no, up arrow, yeah. Override.
Overriding concept it is showing.
Okay.
Tooltip.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Say. Next, Niladri, you create another one more package. Suppose, just a minute, class A. In this class A, 2 variables and 1 method. Next, remove this class C. We copied this one. Class C. Okay. Just a minute. You remove this class C. Delete. Next, class B. Class B. Observe, Sanjida. Now only two classes. Class A, class B. Class B extends class A. Okay. In these two classes, we have same class members. Same names. Values different, but same names. Okay. Now, if I execute this class B, what will happen? First priority, home class members. So 130.
Yes, sir.
130. Okay. Suppose, Sanjida, if I want to access class A class members also, then how to access? Same class members available, but I want to access class A add method and class A variable value. How to access?
Sir, we pass the parameter.
No. Niladri.
Yes, sir.
How to access?
We have to create object using class A.
You have to create object using class A. Actually, that concept not belongs to inheritance. Suppose B2 class A. Class A. Now observe, Sanjida, in this class we have two objects now.
Yes, sir.
First object we created using same class, means home class. Second object we created using parent class. It can access parent class members directly. Even though same class members available in the home class. Observe outputs 100 and 300, next 130. Run. See 100, 300, 130. Just a minute. Put mute. This is class 2. Next, class 1. Class 1. Okay. Next, create one more package. Suppose Java examples. New package. Suppose package name package 2, package 2. In this package 2, on class C, class C. Just a minute. In this class B, suppose class class A, just obj, class A, just obj. What is the problem? Why it is not allowing Niladri? Here in class B, I created object using class A na?
Sir, we need to import package.
Import package. Already imported na? Oh, class B only imported. Class A. Just obj. Why it is not allowing? Observe Niladri. This variable A. It's not public. Okay. Run 1030. By importing that package, suppose if you want to create object in this same class, class C, class C. Observe Sanjida, it is showing error. Why?
Sir, access modifier. We need to put access modifier.
Not access modifier. Extend. We need to extend na.
Yes.
We created object in this home class.
Yes, we need to extend.
Extends. Inheritance required. Extends class A. Now you can access 10 and 30. See, this is about inheritance. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance. But Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Gurnath Natarajan, are you following? Without inheritance, also you can access other class members. How to access? Without inheritance. Neladri, continue without inheritance.
You have to make the object using that
You have to create object using that parent class. Parent class or super class.
Okay,
suppose class 1 extends class 2. Class 2 extends, suppose, multiple layers. Observe Sanjida. Class A, class B, class C, class D. Suppose without inheritance. Now I am in class D. Without inheritance, I want to access class C class members, class B class members, class A class members.
Yes, sir.
Then how to access? We need to create 4 objects now. One object
Yes,
for home class, next nearest parent, grandparent, grandparent. If
yes,
we inherit, then only single object na,
yes, sir.
single object. But one small drawback also there. If it is single object, what will happen? Priority process is there. Usually we use unique names for variables and methods. If you don't use unique names, then priorities. See, without inheritance, with inheritance, we can reuse class members. But if we use inheritance, then using single object, you can access class members for multiple classes, from multiple classes. Getting this point,
Yes, sir.
Preeti?
Yes, sir.
See, polymorphism.
Sir, this is good. The last sentence, what you said, sir, like no, I did not get it.
With inheritance, without inheritance, we can reuse class members.
Okay, got it, sir. Like without inheritance, we use the object of that class.
We have to create object in parent class.
Okay, sure. Thanks, sir.
Polymorphism. Can you tell me, Madhumati, what is polymorphism? Have any idea? Polymorphism.
Like
No idea.
taking different ways.
Pardon?
Taking different ways.
Taking different ways.
Performing tasks in different ways.
Okay. Can you tell me, Aarti?
Yes, sir.
What is polymorphism?
Polymorphism means like many forms. So the extension of object behaviors in many forms.
Okay, good. Existence of object behavior in many forms. See, existence of object behavior in many forms. Forms means ways. Say, existence of object behavior in many forms. See, this polymorphism word derived from 2 Greek words, poly and morphs. Poly means many, morphs means ways, means many ways. Polymorphism means many ways. Existence of object behavior in many forms. Okay. See, there are 2 types of polymorphism. There are 2 types of polymorphism. One is compile time polymorphism or method overloading. See, compile time polymorphism or method overloading. Next, runtime runtime polymorphism or Niladri. In the introduction chapter, I introduced the term runtime polymorphism or
overriding.
Method overriding. Method overriding. Okay. See, first, compile time polymorphism or method overloading. See, in this in the previous chapter, inheritance chapter, Sanjita asked method overloading, method overriding. Okay, this concept is related to inheritance also, but we are discussing separately. Related to inheritance also. What is compile time or compile time polymorphism or method overloading? If two or more methods having same name in the same class, but they differ in following ways. Observe, Sanjida, overloading, overriding. Earlier overriding na in inheritance. In inheritance, two or more methods with same name available in superclass and subclass, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That concept is overriding. Earlier we faced that problem in inheritance. What is that one? Method overriding. What is method overriding? If two or more methods with same name available in superclass and subclass, that is method overriding. That I will explain in the second example. First, method overloading. See, in inheritance chapter, we didn't discuss method overloading, but indirectly we discussed method overriding. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
If what is method overloading or compile time polymorphism? If two or more, if two or more methods, all of you put mute, with same name, it's same name. If two or more methods with same name in the same class, and okay. If two or more methods with same name in the same class
and the same parameter.
No. Same class, but they differ in following ways. What are the following ways? Observe. One is number of arguments. Or you can say parameters. Next, type of arguments. Number of arguments same but type different. Type of arguments. These are the scenarios. See, I will show you example. Observe. Suppose create a class one. Create methods. Suppose public void, okay, without returning value. With returning value also you can write public void add parameters int a, int b, open curly braces, close, int a, int b. Next, display a plus b. This is one method. Addition, adding two numbers. You can pass parameter values, user can pass. Next, same name, add same name, comma, int c. Observe Sridevi, method names, same na, same class, same method names, add. But what is the difference?
Different parameters.
Different parameters. Not different parameters, number of parameters. Type same, but number of parameters. Suppose one more method, add only, type different, double. Observe Preeti, first method, third method, first method, third method. A number of parameters, method name same, number of parameters same na.
Same.
But
Yes,
what is the difference?
Data type is different.
A type of arguments different. Next, in between first and second methods, method name same. Next, type of arguments also same, but number of arguments different. Okay. Now access, create an object, class 1 obj equal to new class 1 okay. Observe Sanjida, obj dot add. See here showing 3 na, 3 different methods na, 3 methods, different arguments, method name same na.
Yes, sir.
Based on values, it access those methods.
Yes, sir.
See, object access methods based on parameter values. Suppose, observe here, you can select 3. Suppose I am selecting 2 only. It's 2 only. But if I pass 3 values, then it access this method only. This method,
A plus B plus C.
middle method only. Suppose, observe 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. It adds 3 integers. Run 60. Observe. Suppose if I use 2 integers, then it access first method. Run 30. Suppose 1.23, 2.34. Then it access last method. Run. Observe Gurnath. It is adding double
Yes, sir, two
values
numbers
na.
is adding double values, yes, sir.
See, based on the
Yes, sir.
parameters,
Yes,
it
sir.
access. Observe. You can write object dot add. Suppose 10, 20, Next, one comma 5 comma 9. Run. Save. Based on that parameter values, object access methods. This concept is, Preeti, are you following? This concept is called method overloading. If two or more methods with the same name in the same class. Next, runtime polymorphism or method overriding. See, runtime polymorphism or method overriding. If two are, earlier we faced this one in inheritance. If two or more methods with same name available in the superclass and subclass, if two or more methods available in the superclass and subclass. Actually, earlier we did that one. See, once again. Suppose class 1. Just a minute. In the class 1, see, public void my method. Public void my method. For example, Selenium for test automation. Selenium for test automation. Selenium for test automation. Create object. Suppose class 1 obj1 equal to new class 1 semicolon. See, obj1 dot my method. Run Selenium for test automation. Create one more class 2. Class 2. Suppose same method. Where is that class 1? Okay. Class 2. Method name same, my method. UFT, formerly QTP, for test automation. Okay. Extends class 1. Create object class 2 obj2 equal to new class 2. Next, access obj2 dot my method. Observe Gurnath, what is the output? See, same method available in this subclass and in parent class also, but
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
different. Then what is the output?
The output will be UFT/QTP for automation.
Okay. First priority home class. Next, suppose if method not available, then it access parent class. Run
Yes, sir.
Selenium for test automation.
Yes, sir.
If you want to access both one by one, you need to create object in parent class, but that is not comes under inheritance. This is method overriding. Sanjita, did you follow this one? Method overloading and method overriding. Tell me what is method overloading?
Overloading, sir, same name, same class, different parameter.
Different.
And overriding
means type of arguments or number of arguments.
Yes, sir.
Next, method overriding.
Overriding, same name, same parameter.
Okay, same name, same parameters. Okay, this is about polymorphism. Tomorrow we will discuss abstraction and encapsulation, and I need to introduce interfaces also, how to create interfaces. See, as extension of abstraction topic, I will explain how to create and use interfaces. Any queries, Madhumati? Any queries?
No, sir. Thank you. No, sir.
Welcome. Sridevi, any queries regarding these two topics? One is inheritance, another is polymorphism. Java, OOPS, object-oriented programming system. Sunil.
No questions, sir.
Sunil.
No, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Gurnath Natarajan.
Sir, I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. See, we will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.